It's time to get your pet questions answered. UW veterinarian Sandi Sawchuck is here taking your calls at 270-9933. First of all, congratulations to our new bride.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
I know. I got married to the best man in the world.
Aww.
And anybody that will allow me to move in with the assorted pets that I have. And yeah, it's wonderful.
Oh, we're so happy.
He's got a great first name too, doesn't he?
Mark.
Yeah.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's get to the phones. We'll start with Millie in Baraboo. Hi, Millie.
Hello.
Hi, which question?
I have a ragdoll cat. She is 15 years old, and she, after about 4 years ago, she just started bellowing. It's not meowing; it is actually howling, and she can be where. If it's eating or if she goes downstairs to where the litter box is, it doesn't make any difference. She just howls, and I cannot seem to break her of it.
Well, three things come to mind. Number one would be maybe she is hearing impaired. As cats get older, they can lose hearing just like humans can, and that sometimes creates them not having that auto feedback that they can't hear themselves, so they tend to be louder and they may meow louder. The other thing that I'd be concerned about, since she is a teenager, is we do sometimes see cats develop a condition called cognitive decline or senility. And some of these kitties will like wander into a room and don't know where they are, and all of a sudden they'll start yowling. You show up and they're back to being normal again. So that may be another condition that you'd want to look into. Unfortunately, to diagnose that, it's a ruling out of everything else that could potentially cause it. The last thing I would think about is there's a very common condition in cats called hyperthyroidism, an overactive thyroid gland, and these cats can sometimes be losing weight, more active, and more vocal as well. And so I think it's time to take your cat in and say, this is what my cat's doing. Your vet will probably do a little bit of blood work, ask you a few more questions, and hopefully get some answers. If not, earplugs. Yeah.
We had a Siamese cat when I was growing up. Siamese are loud, too.
They are. Well, ragdolls are kind of look like a Siamese, but they're a very different breed of cat, quite large and very laid back, usually.
Okay, let's go to Darla in Montello. Hi, Darla. What's your question?
Hi. I have a Schipperke Chihuahua, and she will get like a pulled muscle, and it seems to be happening more and more as she's getting older. And I take her to the vet, then they give her a shot of cortisone, and, you know, and she's in so much pain, though, when it does happen. I mean, the shot, it, like, helps her right away.
Yeah.
Well, if there was something she could take, like a daily vitamin or something that might help.
Yeah, I'm really concerned the fact that your dog is experiencing this painful condition over and over again. I don't know what kind of diagnostics you've gone through, but sometimes we will see, especially in some of the smaller breed dogs, disc disease, where their spinal cord discs slip out of place and can cause excruciating pain. And sometimes that can present as a muscle strain or muscle pull because the muscle's spasming. If you've ever had a sore neck and sometimes your muscles and even your arm may tingle a little bit as well. So you may want to look into, rather than just treating the pain, trying to find out why it's occurring to begin with, which may mean getting some x-rays, maybe visiting with somebody that's an orthopedist or something, be able to get this under control. If the dog is healthy enough, they may want to look into long-term pain management, using things like an anti-inflammatory. We don't want to use human anti-inflammatories, but they do have certain ones made just for dogs. They go by the name of Rimadyl, Previcox. There's a whole bunch of them out there, but it all depends on the health of the dog. You want to make sure that their organs are working fine before you start using something like that.
Find out what's causing the pain, right?
I think that would be the best thing first.
All right.
We're taking more of your calls with veterinarian Sandi Sawchuck, and let's go to Mary Lynn in Wisconsin Dells. Hi, Mary Lynn. What's your question? Nope.
Are you there?
Well,
apparently not.
All right.
Let's go to Debbie in Platteville. Hi, Debbie.
Hi.
Oh, there's Debbie.
Okay.
What's your question?
Yes, hi. I can't believe I get to finally get a chat with you. I'm from Plowville, and I have a 5-year-old calico, beautiful cat, and I got her a 1.5 years old, but it seems like I had her all that life. And I should have called her Sassy because she sasses me back sometimes.
Okay.
But I just got, 3 weeks ago, I got an all-black male kitten, and he's been here that long, and he's always harassing her, and sometimes I know it takes a while to get used to the surroundings and his new family.
All right, Debbie, we got to go here.
Okay. Well,
And then he meows all the time, and so is he part Siamese?
well, probably not. A lot of cats meow for other reasons too. Sometimes we will see cats learn that when I meow, I get fed or I get an owner's attention. It may be that if you're isolating the kitten because you need to keep them separate from the adult cats so they can get used to each other, that may be why he's meowing as well. So sometimes you have to just ignore it and it'll eventually disappear.
They get tired.
They get tired of meowing, right.
All right, we're out of time. We'll see you next month.
I'll be here.
Thanks, Sandy.